have my block in there, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring the head down, and it's going to go ahead and cut this piece right here. Place the stock in. Now this of course is a metal cutting bandsaw, but we're using wood here for demonstration. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to automatic mode. First we're going to close the vices. So the front and rear vise is closed and they're in the hold position. Then we're going to go ahead and put it into automatic mode and program a job. Now to program a job, you hit job. We're going to program the first job. Quantity is going to be 2 pieces. Enter. And the length is going to be 3 inches. Just hit start. Start the blade. Automatic mode. Hit start and it should start job 1. Now the rear shuttle vise is go ahead and it's going into place and it'll reclamp the system and move it to the desired length. One job. We're going to go ahead and program multiple cuts and multiple jobs, and it'll run through the entire system. So what we're going to do, we're going to go job 1, quantity 3, length 3 inches, job 2, quantity 2, 4 inches, enter, job 3, quantity, we're going to do 4, at a length of 3 inches. We put everything in the job queue and start the job. Now it's going through the first job and cutting a 3-inch piece. So now you can see it shows over here. It has a quantity of 3 and it was 1 piece was cut, so it has 2 more pieces before it goes to the next job. Still cutting a 3-inch piece. Now you can see it's completed 2 of the 3 cuts. Here's the 3rd cut as the first job. at 4 inches. Are exactly the same as for the job. Cut 3 pieces at 3 inches. That was our first piece out of the 2 pieces to cut at 4 inches. Now we're going to go ahead to our third job, which has 4 pieces required at 3 inches. First of 4 cuts. You can see the shuttle vise in the back moves the piece each time to the desired length. Job 3, that was the second cut out of 4. Out of 4. We didn't have to do any other programming or operations for this controller to run the 3 jobs in the queue. It makes it very easy to program multiple jobs and presets. Our 4th piece out of the job. As you can see, we've completed all jobs that were programmed in the queue over here. The blade speed meter, just want to show you can increase or decrease with speed. Here's the increase. Takes a second. There's the decrease. That's all there is to the H16 Hyd-Mech automatic bandsaw.
Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.